Hi Anu.
Hi.
So I just want to know, what does your brand truly stand for beyond just the product?
Yes. So in Shwaras, I really wanted to create pieces that you reach out for every day. Like, you have to be really comfortable in. It has to be easy breezy, nothing too dramatic. You don't have to have a second thought before you pick a clothing, right? You just open your cupboard. It has to be an easy pick in the morning.
Yes.
No rush, but it also has to be modern and contemporary.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that was the whole thing.
So yours is like, you open the cupboard and Shwaras is standing ready for you.
Exactly, yes. That's the whole point.
Nice. What emotion or feeling do you want people to experience, when they connect with your brand?
When I am talking about people connecting with my brand, I really want them to feel very comfortable, and our niche being clothing, we still don't stick to only clothing. We go beyond that.
There's a surprise element in that.
Yeah, there are small surprise elements here and there. That's very personal to me. Like whatever I like to carry or what I like to have along with me. But I am someone who's very peculiar in details more than the large things. These little things really make me happy, and I always carry a notebook, a pen, and these, very cute laptop sleeves, or be it those small cotton block printed tote bags. They are, they really bring much happiness to me more than those luxurious or very flashy ones. These are small things. You can just have it for your everyday or regular use. So yeah, so when you come to Shwaras, you will find many small things, and I'm also planning to bring more things. Whatever I am interested in, Shwaras will have it.
Wow, that's really magical.
Yeah.
Okay, good one. What inspired the name and identity of your brand?
Yeah, so there's nothing great about the name. It's just my own name. My name is Anushwara. And since the time when I had the thought of creating a brand, like over a decade, I was working on multiple names, so creative, putting here and there, but nothing really clicked. And one fine day, I was like, we have it in our own name. Why not Shwaras? It's labeled Shwaras, or my own name has it, Shwaras. And I really like the way it sounded. It's something from me. So, and even the logo, it's this traditional column. Yeah, you can just easily understand the simplicity, or what do I say? You can see the essence of the brand in the name and the logo itself.
Perfect. What makes your brand unique in this crowded market?
Right. I understand there are more entrepreneurs than customers in this today's market. It is quite a difficult answer, but yes, we're trying our best to bring in some creative patterns in comfortable fits. Yeah, I'm just particular that no clothing should just stick to your body. It just has to be so relaxed. You don't have to think about what you're wearing. You don't have to be very conscious of what you're wearing all day. You wear it and that's it. You just move on with your day. That was the whole motive.
Nice and simple.
Yeah.
So who is your brand really for, and how do you want it to impact their lives?
It's really simple. Honestly speaking, I didn't think of impacting their life in different ways with clothing. They just have to be comfortable. They should like it. They should again come back for more pieces. That was the whole thing. They should really feel comfortable. And when they take a piece, when they shop from us, it really means a lot to us, because their trust and the value they are, the respect they have for our brand. They're trusting us in picking a piece. It really means a lot to us. We just began with women, and I have some ideas of expanding it. Maybe that we'll have a better reveal session for that.
Sure. We're looking forward.
Yeah, we've got a lot of ideas for the future. So yeah.
Nice. What values or beliefs are at the core of everything Shwaras creates?
Right. So over the years as an architect, I've explored creativity in any form that came my way, from interiors to event decor, and then customized art, and even a little bit of pottery. I just went by the flow. And then life shifted, priorities changed, and some of those chapters had to be paused. But the urge to create something never really left. And I think that's when Shwaras was born. More than a business plan, it was more of a feeling for me. I really wanted to create something easy and effortless yet something special. So yeah, so Shwaraz is basically me, and it has my essence in every piece of it. This idea, this quietly lived in my head as the dream for someday, until one day I decided, why not now? If I keep thinking, I'm always going to be keeping on thinking. So yeah, one day I just decided, today we're starting it. That's it.
Very beautiful. You know, how has your personal journey shaped the story and direction of Swaraj?
Right. Don't really get me started on that. Like, that's the most difficult part, honestly speaking. Like, I was prepared for anything that came by. When I was ready to start a brand, I was 100% prepared to face anything that came by, profit or loss or any struggle or any obstacle. But when the reality hit, it was a whole different story, you know? From contacting each vendor to finding the right manufacturer, finding the right fabric. There are so many things. It is really overwhelming, honestly. And I did make a few bad decisions. My journey so far is very small. I've just begun the brand, but still, I did make a few bad decisions. I did have quite a loss of money, and I am still learning. I think that's what keeps going. I really am learning a lot, and that is really shaping me. And as a new mom, I have a lot of other challenges as well. Both are new to me. Being a new mom and new to the business market, both are new, and I'm still figuring it out. I'm learning everything, and really, without my family's support, this could have been impossible. Like, they literally nodded their head to anything I said. I think I'm really gifted for that. I'm so thankful, each one of them in my house. Yeah.
Touch wood.
Yeah, that's good.
How old is Swaraj now?
Shwaraz is now, what, 5 months old.
So is she.
Yes, so is my baby.
I think they're going hand in hand.
It's like,
Yeah.
Two babies.
Two babies, you could say.
Two delicate babies. Yeah. It's like simultaneously I'm bringing up two delicate babies. Yeah, so both are very important to me.
And now the last one for the day.
Okay.
You're ready for this? Where do you see your brand evolving in the next few years?
In the next few years, if I'm extremely ambitious, I would like to see Shwaraz in any mall out there.
That's
Like,
nice.
you can see Shwaraz in the Dubai Mall.
Wow.
I hope. But yeah,
Definitely.
I just like, no, that is just jokes apart. I really like to bring up my brand. A few sales every day would really mean a lot to me. Like, if I sell 10 pieces in one day, that's really a big achievement for me. In the next 5 years or few years, anytime. Yeah. Thank you.
Good one.